Hello everyone, it's your boy Raptor Spirit is back with another one. So today we're going to actually do the Anvil Asgard doing bounty missions. So we're going to get right into it and see what this thing can do. Now just a couple of quick notes, which I'll explain in the video. I took off the bottom size 4 turrets and put ballistics to get that energy to go to the other 6-man guns for the pilot, and I also dropped the coolers to 2 pips each since there's 3 of them. So let's get into it and see how this thing does. Okay, so let's see what we can do. I've been doing bounties for the last little bit, and I'm gonna tell you these repair bills are more than these bounties are. So let's see, and actually, the Asgard is quite the ship when it comes to doing bounties. I'm doing HRTs, and this Asgard is doing well. One of the things that I did was I definitely switched out the size 4 Panthers for or whatever the size 4 version of the CF weapons are. I traded those out for the ballistic cannons. That way I got that energy for the rest of my cannons. So, and I dropped down the coolers to 2 pegs each. So if you look to the left, I have 145 shots for my 6 main guns. And these things are freaking killer. So let's just see how we do. And don't mind the thirst, because apparently I'm always thirsty. We'll see what we can do.
Okay.
Oh, there they are. I'm going with the wrong thing. And I'm going to try to go without using missiles because my missiles are expensive.
Okay.
Yes. And looks like he sees. Oh, he better not be running. Oh no.
Shields hit.
I want this one.
Target destroyed.
Cake. Make sure we keep an eye on that guy. So let's get this other one. Who else do we got? Ooh, a Drake.
RTB alert.
Oh, there's no. Oh, Prowler's here. Oh, if I can get.
Target destroyed.
Just like they said,
Okay.
don't over squeeze the trigger. I know. There you are. Hi. One Prowler? Oh boy. Oh, I'm almost there. blew part of your wing off. I'm still coming for you.
Target destroyed.
Done. Time to get this other guy. There you are. Ooh, wrong one. Trying to give him a chance to get his shield back up. Ooh, nope. I know with the new Prowler updates, this thing has
Shields hit.
more HP in its nodes, which it should. Woohoo!
Proximity alert.
And the question is, can I find any of this wreckage? There's one. There's another one. Shit.
Landing gear deployed.
VTOLs are awesome. Dropping your landing gear also helps. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Time to do a little bit of farming.
Engines idle. Takeoff complete.
This is why I love this ship. This ship is freaking amazing. Now, the last time I was doing a ship, the ship disappeared on me, so I'm gonna try to get all this stuff as fast as I can. Leave it there for right now. Let's get as much stuff as we can before the ship disappears on me. Like, this is what I like about Star Citizen, is doing these bounties, stripping the ships, getting their components. It's fine. Oh yeah. Now let's see if we can get in this thing. Oh, cool. You don't have to go too far. Might need my rifle. There we go. Ooh, Eclipse. What else we got? Come on. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna have to try to flip it over. Sometimes it breaks. You have to get creative. Get my rifle and see if I can do Do something about that. I like how sometimes things will lock to the grid, sometimes they won't. I'm gonna tell you that new Prowler that everyone's talking about might be here for Alien Week. Right now, I don't need to be spending money because I really don't have it. But I tell you, I'm considering finagling some stuff to make that work because that would be. I love the Prowler from the start, but the problem with the Prowler is that it just really didn't do any of the things. Now, mind you, let me, for some context, I started playing like about 3 years ago. So it's kind of like, you know, back then the Prowler wasn't really doing what it advertised to do. Like it said it was gonna do a bunch of stuff, but then it didn't. So like it with the stealth, it wasn't really stealth to be honest, and it just it didn't, like the little hover pads really didn't work. Like as intended, it says supposed to make it hover quietly, so there really wasn't no indication of that. So it's kind of one of those things where it just isn't really doing what it was made to do from the jump. So I did not get that. I decided to go with, you know, with the Corsair, not because there's anything wrong with the Corsair, but I just, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that. All right. If I can see any other components. Nope. Yeah, I think it's gonna go left. Oop. Oh. What was that? Oh, I got a component. I have to do it kind of glitchy like, and I'm gonna try to get the rest of these. Yeah, when they fall upside down, it's like the worst. And then you have to like try to figure out a way to get in it. As I get it, it's just a pain. So, I'm not gonna try to spend too much time getting this stuff. Maybe if I go up the wing, maybe? Oop. No, that's not what I mean that way. Okay. To the back. Jumping method all the way. Oh. Where'd it go? Did I just lose it? That persistent shit. I thought I saw it jump up. Well, I'm not gonna go look for this thing. I swear it was like right, it flew out over here, but you know, Star Citizen with these physics, sometimes they are just wild. Like they don't make no sense. So, all right, we're just gonna see if we can find any more. See if we can find those ships from earlier. See if we can get some cargo. Maybe, maybe not. I always try to watch out for that door because apparently people say that they get killed with it. All right, let me see. Actually, see first. Drink something before I get mega thirsty. Just to tide me over. I always found out that it's best to make sure the animation finishes before you do anything else, because sometimes it'll mess it up and then the animation will kind of be borked. Alright, let's see if I can find any more ships. Corsair is still there. Let's see if I can find these other ships. That looks like a... nope. We use scan mode. Let's see if we can see what the number is. Ooh, 12. So that might be it. I think there was anything there. Nope. It's like some rock deposits. Yeah, it's rock deposits. I might have lost the rest of them. That's the downside. Doing bounties, unless you track them down, they'll probably disappear. So that's 10. I think a ship probably is a little bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. They're all gone. Dang. Oh well. Next time I need to stay. I need to save the one that possibly has cargo for last. But yeah, that's my little run with the Asgard doing bounties. Cause this thing is freaking beastly. Now, of course, everyone talks about that CIG's probably gonna nerf it. I pray to God that they do not mess with this, because this thing is awesome the way it is. Like, yeah, they changed the fire rate on stuff, and they buffed the CF weapons. So I just hope, like I said, they don't try to mess with it too much, because I actually really like this. This is my second favorite ship next to the Corsair. Maybe, I mean, right now it's kind of taking my love away from the Corsair a little bit. Much as I love the Corsair, this thing I like a lot better. Just a little bit, not a lot though. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and stop my recording here. So I appreciate you guys joining Raptor Spiritus, and I will see you guys in the verse.